Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a Brother MFC 8890 printer. The problem the customer's been complaining about is that when they're using the top document feeder, that they're getting lines and different defects on their copies and scans. So that's going to indicate there's something dirty on their scanner glass. So if you lift up the scanner, you'll notice that there's actually two separate pieces of glass. There's the large plate glass scanner, and there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer, and that small strip of glass is where the document feeder actually does all of its scanning. So that's where we want to focus our cleaning today. In order to clean the glass, you want a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is recommended. And the biggest thing is you're always going to apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You're never going to apply your glass cleaner directly to the glass. If you apply the cleaner to the glass, there's a high chance that the cleaner is going to seep underneath the glass, and you can cause a lot bigger problems than you're starting with. So again, we always want to apply your cleaner to your cloth. So now we have our glass cleaner on our cloth. Like I said, we're going to focus on this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer, because we're noticing our problems when we're using the top document feeder, and that's where it scans. So we're just going to clean that little piece of glass really, really well, making sure that there's no tape, ink, whiteout, anything like that that can be built up on the glass. And then once we're happy with the results, we're just going to go ahead and wipe off the flatbed scanner as well, just because they're highly prone for fingerprints and smudges. Okay. So look it over. I'm happy with the way that looks. So what we'll do is we'll close the scanner, and then I'll run a couple of test copies or scans through the machine, through the document feeder, just to make sure everything got cleaned up. If you're still getting faint lines or anything like that, we're just going to repeat the cleaning process, and that should get you taken care of, and you'll be back up and printing.